Hi, this is Justin Ball with the Showerhead store, and I just wanted to make a quick video about the Crystal Quest filtered inline filter and just how to get some extra life out of the cartridge. So depending on your water use, you should replace your cartridge every like 6 months to a year, specifically for this Crystal Quest cartridge. But to get a little bit more life out of the filter, what I suggest doing is removing the filter, flipping it around, and reinstalling it. And that's just gonna counter flush all the filter media and get you some extra life. So it's pretty simple. There's a threaded joint here halfway through the housing of the filter. And you just take this. You don't even have to uninstall your shower head or anything like that. Which with this setup could be a little bit of a hassle. Okay. So here's the filter. There's a lot of gunk built up on there. I'm just gonna rinse it off here. Cleaned away some of it. This is really caked on, honestly. It just looks like metal deposits. Pretty nasty stuff. So, and you can see the other side is pretty good. So, give it a good scrub. All right. So now we just want to reverse it. And we'll go ahead and reinstall it here. Not even sure how water was getting out. It was so caked up with deposits and it's pretty bad shape. And I would say we had that installed for about 5 months now. So, but this is Southern California where the water's extra hard, right by the beach. And there you go. And now you'll have another few months out of it. Honestly, I'll probably, having seen the inside of the cartridge, I'm probably gonna order one and replace that cartridge within the next month. So hope that gets you some extra life and softer, smoother skin and hair, and catch you in the next video.